Alright, last box that I've got to bust, well, it's worth putting on video anyway, is Exquisite 2007 Rookie Signatures Baseball. Anyone who knows this is the product to get the rookies for that year. He's hoping for some Linscomb, eh? I think I deserve it. Let's put this guy out. Oh, looks like someone's had a go at it on me. Well, we'll see what happens. Exquisite Baseball. I think you get about 7 cards or so. Best not to corner any of them while you open them up. Okay. So it's 6 cards, all ridiculously thick. So we've got Scott Kazmir, numbered to 21 of 75 base. And then we've got a rookie auto, Joseph Besenius, 34 to 75. All you Phillies fans know him, I guess. Then we've got dual signatures, dual rookie sig, so it's Ryan Zimmerman and Alex Gordon, numbered 21 of 25. I'm sure that'll prove pretty popular. Then you've got rookie sigs, Jeremy Bonderman, numbered 3 of 85. Not sure who he is, guys. Haven't heard of him before. It's a shame it's sticker auto in a product like this. Then we've got a Redemption, which I've missed. It's a dual signature of Jeremy Accardo and Joakim Soria. I'll try and redeem it. See how I go. Not too great a card, but you'd rather get your full amount. And then we've got a game day debut, Justin Hampson auto, numbered 2 of 20. So I'll have to hit up Upper Deck, see how I go with this redemption, and yeah, Exquisite Baseball. Thanks, guys.